What's up, YouTube? Tommy here from Green Rhino. Got doing 2 jobs today, 2 apartments. Not much space in this one as far as carpeting. I didn't know. They just gave me the address, and I show up and evaluate and voice them. But these interesting little chairs or stairs to clean. They're probably the dirtiest out of everything. I'm gonna have to do a good vacuum on them. But other than that, it's a move out, and the property managers hired me to come here and clean, along with another one later. So don't know how the condition is on the next one either. So we're just gonna have to see when we get to it. So stay tuned. Alright, so I got my hoses ran, got my pre-spray hooked up. I'm going to go out there and turn on the machine and put pre-spray down. Being these stairs are so tight, I'm not using my regular stair wand. It's kind of like a half-size wand deal. I like it because on regular stairs, you can cut across it a lot quicker because you have such a wide vacuum and spray. But for these, I'm gonna go ahead and use my old upholstery tool. I have a dry tool now that I use on upholstery. See this right here? It squirts out the back here, so you tend to get a lot of overspray and stuff like that. But and on the dry one, the actual solution's inside, so you don't get overspray. But for stairs and really tight jobs, I keep this and use it. And I'm gonna pre-scrub the stairs with my brush because the stairs are really soiled. It looks like they've had the carpets cleaned here probably many times, but I don't think anybody's ever cleaned the stairs. Alright guys, all finished up. I didn't get any footage on the stairs. It's just the tight corners and stuff. It's just kind of hard when you're using one hand. But looks like it came out good. See you in the next job. Second job, and carpets are definitely in a lot worse condition than the last one. I'm using my phone to record now because on my last job, second story, had my camera set up on a tripod, fell down. And I don't know if I broke my camera or not, but so as you can tell, carpets are really dirty. The living room seems to be the worst part of it. Yeah, the other two rooms are not that bad. But yeah, we're gonna see some difference here when I'm done with it. So stay tuned, I'm gonna get started. All finished up. I'm just kidding. Just got done with the vacuum. I'm gonna go downstairs and pump up my pre-spray. Let me see. Red code to the rescue. I'm using my red code, and that sucker, or code red, sorry. That sucker kicks butt, and I'm gonna need it for this job. Sager sauce, code red. That and carpet detail. It's like Batman and Robin for me as far as treating all type of situations on synthetic carpets. So I'm going to call this Code Red versus Filthy Carpet, maybe? Difference with the part I agitated, the part I haven't agitated yet. That's going to be a challenge there. Alright guys, all finished up. Not bad. Let's see. I will put before and afters here. Actually, I'll put before and afters. And that's about as good as it's gonna get, guys. I mean, the people who used to live here lived here for like 7 years, and their furniture was in the same spot the whole time. So that darker area you see there, that's their traffic area, and that's where the fiber is worn. There's nothing you can do about that. It will lighten up and blend a lot better once everything dries, but definitely a lot better, I think. Alright guys, so I'm going to wrap it up. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and comment. Just like always, another routine. We'll see you in the next video.